English medium, sir.
Okay, right.
Hello.
Hello, madam.
Hello, madam.
Hello. Cheppandi.
Can't visible, ma'am.
Hello.
ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇస్తారా మేడం? స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారా? మీరు ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇస్తారా?
Start చేయండి.
Yes, today we have almost 48 participants in this class. So today you are going to learn the classification practice. Till yesterday you have learned the theory part of library classification, and today your resource person for today is Professor V. Chandrasekhar Rao garu. He is the former head and the professor of the Department of Library Science, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. For almost 30 years, he carried the department along with him. Single-handedly, he brought this department to this present station. And he is also my teacher. I have learned a lot from him.
Sir, వినిపించట్లేదు మేడంది. వినిపించట్లేదు మైక్.
Madam, sir, voice is not.
వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా?
No, sir. Voice.
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్.
మేడంది వినిపించట్లేదు.
Madam voice is not audible, sir.
Now, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, very good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Today we have almost 51 participants are there in this class. Till yesterday, you have learned the theory part of library classification. Okay. So Srinivasul sir and Purnachandar sir for Telugu medium, they have taught you the theory part. So from today onwards, you are going to learn how to prepare a classification number or call number. We call it a call number, okay, for every book, so that we can easily retrieve that book. Whenever user comes and asks for a book, you can easily retrieve that particular book and give it to him. Okay. So now today we have with us the resource person, Professor V. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. So he is the former head and also professor of the Department of Library Science, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. For almost from the time the department is established, okay, he brought this department to this present stage. Recently, he retired from service, and today you are very fortunate to learn from him. So he is also my teacher, and I have worked with him for so many years, and I have learned a lot from him. And I hope you will learn. Don't hesitate. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask sir very patiently. He will answer, and I will also be with you throughout this session. Okay, and don't unnecessarily pass any comments or don't cause any disturbance to the class. Okay, if you have doubts, you can put it in the chat box, or even you can raise your hand and ask the questions. But I request all of you to be very attentive. Okay, because we have certain restrictions in this online class, because we cannot see the Devi decimal classification which you are going to learn today. It is in 4 volumes, 21st edition. But we have certain problems in this online class. We cannot provide you with the schedules. Okay, the 4 volumes we cannot show you, but to the extent possible, we will try to explain how to prepare a call number. I requested sir, he will. I'm sure you will learn something out of these 3 classes. Okay, so thank you, and I request Professor Chandrasekhar Rao Garu to start the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
మా మీరందరు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలమ్మా. మీరు మీ వైపు నుంచి, అన్లెస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్, డోంట్ అన్మ్యూట్.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Saroja. Good morning and welcome to this online class on DDC 23rd edition. Okay. I think you have some understanding about the classification. Yesterday, and day before yesterday, Srinivasu and Dr. Purnachandra have given some idea about it. So what is classification? What are the different types of classification? What are the notation and devices, etc. So today we will practice how to assign a class number to a particular book or a document. You know, in libraries, there are several documents. Documents means books, journals, so audiovisual material, computer-based material, so many types of material. But basically, libraries are using classification systems to organize the collection in their libraries, basically the books. So, and journals, of course, journals and other materials, we can use it. But if your library is very small, then you cannot have this classification number. You need not have this classification number, because you know which book, there are 100 books are there, which book is which subject and how many books are there in that particular subject. But if your collection is very large, like a college library or a big university library, you may be, the collection may exceed maybe in thousands or in lakhs. Sometimes a university library may have 5 lakhs of books or 10 lakhs of books. So in such cases, you need to have a classification system to organize them. So the classification or classifying the books or assign the class number. Why we assign the class number? Because we need to have a particular system of arrangement of the books. So what are the types of arrangement? Generally, we have alphabetical order or numerical order. Alphabetical order means A to Z. Numerical order means 0 to 9. So that may be 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000. Like that, you can numerical order you can have. So you can also mix these two. So in class, we have basically 2 classification systems. One is enumerative classification, another is passive classification. Enumerative classification means the subjects of the past, present, and the future or anticipated future or given classification number, ready-made classification number. So in enumerative classification, you have ready-made class number is available. For every subject, a number is assigned. So in the facet classification, the subjects are divided into different parts like facets. In column, that example is the column classification. You have 5 facets. So, and when you are assigned the class number, you synthesize these facets into class number. So that in column classification, we are not doing. So for the last 2-3 years, we stopped using column classification, but we are concentrating mainly on geodecimal classification, which is an enumerative classification. Okay, so you understood what is enumerative classification. The subjects of the past, present, and anticipated future are listed in the enumerative classification. DDC is one example of that one. So DDC was started in the year, I will show you DDC, where it is, okay. So I will show you later. So DDC started in the year 1876, the first order by Melville Dewey, an American librarian. Melville Dewey started in 1876. 1876 has a very significant year for 3 things. One is starting of geodecimal classification. Then second is starting of American Library Association. Third, publication of the dictionary catalog. Okay, RDC. So by Cutter. So say 1876, when Melville Dewey started this classification, he published this one in 43 pages, 42 or 43 pages. So then later now the present edition came in 4 volumes, running into thousands of pages. Okay, that you will understand. So you need not worry about how many pages. But there are 4 volumes here. I will show you. Maybe you can see them. These 4 volumes. So this is volume 1. This is volume 1, which contains introduction, the introduction to the geodecimal classification 23rd edition. Then you have tables and you have manual. So volume 2, this is volume 2. In this volume, you have classification numbers, the subjects running from 000. So you can see there, 000 to 599. 599. You should not call 599. I will tell you later why we should call 599 or 000 or 100. This is volume 3. This is volume 3. So in this volume, the classification numbers from 600 to 999. So this is the 3rd volume. This is the 4th volume. This is index. So relative index. Okay. I'll show you the picture. You can see this. Okay. 4 volumes. So then coming to this, I will share a PPT also. So Melville Dewey was the author of this DDC, which was first published in 1876.
Sir, we can't see the PPT, sir.
Huh?
PPT is not visible.
Okay, then I will I have to share this one, I think.
Share screen, sir. Your share screen.
Okay. Here, where it is.
సార్ కి కంట్రోల్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా?
వస్తుందా?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Now it is coming, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
DDC is an enumerative classification scheme. Then latest edition is the 23rd edition. It has 4 volumes. Volume 1, introduction, then tables and manual. Then we have volume 2, we have starting from 00 to 599. Then volume 3, we have 600 to 999. Then volume 4 is relative index. This index is called relative index. Why it is called relative index, I will explain you later. Okay. Then, where it is, where I am not. Then PPT. See the PPT there. Yeah. So what Melville Dewey has done, classifying this universe of knowledge by dividing them into 10 classes, main classes basically. 0, starting from 0 to 9, that is, there are 10 classes. So 0 is generalia, general aspects. 1 is philosophy and psychology. 2 is religion. 3 is social sciences. 4 is languages. 5 pure sciences. 6 applied sciences or technology. 7 is the arts. 8 is literature. 9 is history and geography. These are the 10 main classes, 10 classes, 10 divisions. The Melville Dewey has divided the entire knowledge into that one. Then what he has done, he has, now you can take the summaries. The first summary you can take. These 10 divisions are assigned as 10 main classes. The 10 divisions are called the 10 main classes. So each class, any number in the Dewey Decimal system should have 3 digits minimum. So you understand, if you are assigning any number for any subject, so according to Dewey Decimal classification, these are 3 digits, there should be 3 digits. So why this is called, also called decimal classification? You can understand? So you assume before any number, there is a decimal point. There is a decimal point. Suppose if you have 150.6, if you say 150.6, then 150.627. So how you are calling? 150, that is a number. So as for their value, 150 is the number. But in classification, we don't call 150. So we call them 150. We call them 150, not 150. Because we assume a point, decimal point, before any number. So the Dewey also done everything into 10 divisions. Every number into 10, every sub number into 10 divisions. Every class into 10 divisions. So 10 means decimal, deca, 10. 10 indicates decimal. So that's why this classification is called a decimal classification, because there is a point before any number. Any number should have minimum of 3 digits. So you see this, 10 main classes you can see there. So in this slide, 0, 0, 0. In the 23rd edition, what he has done, he did not call this one as a general class, but he has given the class, the subjects names into this for this 0, 0, 0. So the 0, 0, 0 is computer science, information, and general works are included here. So previously we used to call them as Generalia class, Generalia, general subjects. So now in this aspect, this one again we can divide into different.
Sir, can you show the PPT, sir?
This is the PPT.
No, we are not able to see, sir.
So I have shared this one. Why it is not coming?
Telegram group lo share ayindi sir.
Edandi?
Telegram group lo share ayindi sir. PDF.
Telegram na దగ్గర నేను యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయలేదు. జూమ్ లో లేదా మీరు?
షేర్ స్క్రీన్ వాడండి సార్. షేర్ స్క్రీన్ తోటి షేర్ చేయండి.
ఇక్కడ ఇది జూమ్ అన్లిమిటెడ్ పోస్ట్. No, I think I am in Zoom. That's
yes, yes.
This is Zoom, okay? So this is
still not visible, sir.
Not visible.
PPT not visible. We can't see the PPT.
No. That is the another screen, that one. So this is Zoom. Okay. Now this I have to stop this one and I have to go to PPT. This one. Not this one. Okay. Now I will share this one PPT.
సార్ చెప్పే పేపర్ నేను షేర్ చేశాను టెలిగ్రామ్ లో చూడండి.
ఇది కదా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is visible, sir.
Okay. This is the first summary. Before that one, maybe let me go back and again I will start this one. Another PPT. I think you have not seen this one. So this is the one, first PPT, then second PPT. This is the third one, Generalia. So Merrill Dewey has divided the entire universe of knowledge into 10 divisions, that is 0 to 9. 0 Generalia, then 1 philosophy and psychology, 2 religion, 3 social sciences, 4 languages, 5 pure sciences, 6 applied sciences or technology, 7 the arts, 8 literature, 9 history and geography. Then each of these divisions, he has assigned the numbers, minimum of 3 digits. So I told you that the first summary contains 10 main classes. So if you see G01, it's not no longer Generalia. Now he has given the specific subject numbers for this one in the 23rd edition. 000, computer science, information, and general works. Library science also includes in this one. So basically, this is a general subjects, contains general subjects. Then 100 is philosophy and psychology. Then 200 religion, 300 social sciences, 400 languages, 500 sciences, 600 is technology, 700 the arts and recreation, 800 literature, 900 history and geography. These are the 10 main classes. This contains the first summary. So if you have the PDF, you can see this one. Then I'm going to move to the next slide. The second summary. Second summary contains 100 divisions. I cannot show in single PPT, I cannot show the 100 divisions. It's very difficult. So I have not taken the picture photo, but you have this second summary. You can see this one. Do you have this PPT of second summary? 100 divisions? Then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you can see this one. Then let us see, for example, how the 100 divisions are listed there. So if you see the first one, Generalia class like 00 computer science, So this main class is divided into 10 divisions. 10 divisions. There are 10 divisions here. So 000 computer science, knowledge and systems. 010 bibliographies. 020 library and information science. 030 encyclopedias, book of facts, including dictionaries. Dictionaries and encyclopedias will come in this one. 030. So 040 is unassigned. They kept for the future. Maybe new subjects. If the new subjects come, they include here. Related to these only. 500 magazines, journals, and serials. 060 associations, organizations, and museums. 070 news media, journalism, and publishing. 080 quotations. 090 manuscripts, rare books. So these are the first 10 divisions of the 100 divisions. So like that, you can see the other main classes also. You can see this one. So then, for example, let us not go into philosophy and psychology, but our religion, 200. So, but you know most of the subjects in social sciences. That's why I'm taking this 300 social sciences. 300 social sciences, sociology, and anthropology. So in this one, there are 10 10 divisions. So these divisions are called, these are listed here. So I'm taking this social sciences main class. 310 statistics, 320 political science, 330 economics, 340 law, 350 public administration and military science, 360 social problems and social services, 370 education, 380 commerce, communication and transportation, 390 customs, etiquette and folklore. Okay, social sciences, you know. I'm not taking 400 languages. Later we can see them. If you have this list, you can see that. Or you can see this from main divisions. So if in the volume 2, you have given, they have given this, they have listed this one. So if you can see, so these are the divisions. So 100 divisions in this one first. And this third summary is given in the beginning of the volume 2. Okay? Beginning of the volume 2. So if you see the main class, 500 sciences, so what are the divisions here? 10 divisions here. So you see this one. 510 mathematics, 520 astronomy, 530 physics, 540 chemistry, 550 earth sciences and geology, 560 fossils and prehistoric life, that is paleontology, we used to call them. This 570 biology, 580 botany or plants, the study of the plants, 590 animals, the study of animals or the zoology. So these are the 10 divisions in the main class 500 sciences. So 600 technology, you know, there are 10 main divisions you can see in your summaries. Second summary are the arts, 700 the arts, 80 the literature, 90 history and geography. There are 10 main class. The main class are divided into 10 divisions there. So 10 divisions you can see there in your summary. So I have not listed them. Now let us go to the third summary. Third summary is third level. First level you have 0002, so 900. So 10 divisions are there. 10 main classes are there. Then each of them main class is divided into 10 divisions. And each of the 10 divisions are again divided into sections, thousands. So the 10 main classes now in the third summary, they have gone to 1,000 sections. These are called thirds. The third summary, the numbers are called sections. The divisions are called sections. In the first summary, you have main classes. In the second summary, you have divisions, 100 divisions. In the third summary, you have 1,000 sections. You understand this terminology. Okay? So, for example, you have seen the second summary. Generally, if you see this second summary, this second summary, then if you see the Generalia class, 000 is computer science, information, and general works. Okay? In that one, 010 bibliography, 020 is library science. So you see the third summary. If you see the third summary, there 020 is library science. I will show you here. In the schedules. So this is the third summary. You can see this third summary here. You have this PDF, then you can see that if we have the PDF there. So 00 is the main class, generally computer science, information, general works. 010 is bibliography. 020 is library and information science, because we are concerned with the library science. So these divisions, what are the different aspects of library science? You can understand here. 020 library information sciences. 021, so third level you are coming, library relationships. 022, administration of physical plant. That means library administration. So library building, etc. 023, personnel management. Personnel management is human resource management, HRM, in libraries. Then 024 is unassigned. For future, they have kept it as unassigned number. 025 is library operations. Library operations means library classification is there, library cataloging is there. So different aspects are there. 026 is libraries for specific subjects. So the libraries of medical libraries or agricultural libraries or law libraries, all subject-based libraries are given numbers in this one for the divisions. So 027 general libraries, 028 reading and use of other information media, 029 is unassigned number. So like that, you find the divisions up to third level in the third summary. So you can see the third summary in other, let me see, next slide. So up to 3 digits, you have the three summaries. Third summary you have, up to, you contain 3 digits are there. So for example, so if you want library administration, physical library 022, like that you can give the number. So personnel management in libraries, how you give the number, what number you give, which number you give, 023 you give. So library operations, classification, catalog, indexing, documentation, etc. 025, you give that number. The further divisions are given in the schedules. So these are the basic summaries only. If you want complete schedules, complete number for every subject, so you have to see the individual schedule. This each volume is called, the numbers in this second and third volume, and third volume, these are the 2 volumes there. So I told you 002 599, 00002 599. So these are the summaries we have just dealt with. If you want further numbers, further subdivisions of each of these subjects, then you have to see the schedules. You have to go to the schedules. So I will tell you how to see the schedules later. So we'll work out, because you have to give the assign the number, co-extensive class number, we call them. So if you take any book, generally we see the subject, how you assign the number for the particular book, particular document, about the particular book, how you assign the number. So you understand how you understand the subject of that book from the title, mainly from the title. So the titles are sometimes explicit, sometimes implicit. So you understand these two words. Explicit means the title of the book generally show the subject, explain you the subject. So indicate the subject of that book, particular book. That is called explicit title. So I said the theory of classification is a title. The introduction to library science. Introduction to, if I say the title, introduction to library science. What you understand, this book is the subject of library science. The main subject of the book is library science. This is explicit, introduction to library science. That is the title of the book. The title is very explicit. If I say the theory of classification, then it is also explicit, but you understand it is a library science, and in that library science, this is the theory of classification is a part of that one. So then if I say something like the documentation, the title is also explicit. Okay. For example, if I say the journey into light, there is a title called Journey into Light. Can you say it is a book on light? Is it a book on journey? No. It is a biography of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman's biography is, what is it? Journey into Light. That is the title given, the fancy title. So the title, they have given a fancy title. So the subject is not explicit in this one. The subject is not explicit in this one. So you have to, how you understand the subject then, not merely seeing the title of the book, don't classify. So go to the content and see that one. If content is not clear to you, because you are library science students, you may not be studying the science subjects. So you go to the prefix, then you go to the, even then it is clear which subject the book is dealing with. Then if it is not clear, then you go to the chapters. People try to study the chapters, the content in the chapters. Then you can come to a particular, you can understand the subject of that particular book. Even then, if you are not unable to understand, go to the subject expert and discuss with them. And from that particular expert, you can discuss and understand the subject of the book. Then you have to classify them. So if the subject, the title is explicit, there is no problem. If the title is not explicit, if it is implicit, then if you have some understanding with the subject, you can assign the class number. So there are some titles, there are fancy titles, there are some misleading titles also there. The biography of Johnson. So there is a biography of Johnson. There is a book called with the title Biography of Johnson. So generally what you understand, so maybe this is a book of a particular person called Johnson, and the biography belongs to that particular person. But in fact, that book is not on Johnson. But Johnson is a pet name of his pet dog, a person's pet dog. He has written a book on his pet dog. So that is a misleading title. Misleading. So that in that one, how you understand that one? So you have to understand, you have to see the content of the book or read the preface and go to the content and chapters, then you assign the class number. So I tell you one more example. The last ring. The last ring. How you understand that title of the book? So the last ring is, if you have understanding about the Kalidasa, Shakuntalam, so can you understand now? It came to your mind. So Shakuntalam, the Kalidasa's Sanskrit book, Shakuntalam, was translated in English and they have given in a title, The Last Ring. You know the story of the Shakuntalam. I need not tell you. So, by seeing the title of the book, don't assign the class number. So, even in your practice also, we give you some title like Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar is the title of the drama of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. So we are not giving the Julius Caesar is not indicating the subject. Title of the novel, title of the drama, not indicating the subject. It is indicating the title only. So this is actually English drama written by William Shakespeare. So we assign the number for English drama. And we individualize with some digit for that particular Julius Caesar. That is later you will understand that one, that part. So whenever you are classifying the books, so don't merely depend on the title. But in the practice, we don't mislead you. Explicit title, generally explicit titles are given in the examination. Don't worry about that. But in practice, so when you have different titles, explicit title, implicit title, misleading title, or fancy titles, like the different types of titles you will find. You come across all these types of titles, okay? Now, what I do, how to assign a class number for a particular book, how to assign a class number. So one is directly from the schedules. So maybe first thing we do is, if it is a very broad subject area, then we take this, you have the summaries. After 3 summaries, you can directly take the number from that one. Or if the subject is very depth into the particular subject, then first you identify the main subject and go to the schedule and take the number directly from the schedules. So another way of identifying the number is using the relative index. There is an index. So alphabetically arrange that index. But this index is a relative index because the subject areas are relative subject area. For example, if I say library, science or libraries, then you come across different types of aspects are there. So the related subjects are listed on that particular under libraries. And each one is given the classification number. These are we'll come to how we will practice that one later. So you understand first how to assign the number. One is directly from the schedules by identifying the subject area. You go to the particular subject area into that particular schedule and then go to the particular subject area number and see that what are the divisions are there. So then you assign the number. I told you that after 3 digits, we have the sum in summaries. After 3 digits, you have to give a stop, full stop, or point, and then the divisions are given there. So this stop, second stop is full stop or point, is a visual index. After every 3 digits, so there is the first 3 digits, there is a full stop pointer. Point is given after the first 3 digits. Then after every 3 digits, there is a gap is given in the schedules. So while writing, we need not show that one. but you can continuously write that particular number. So the second option is how to assign the number is by using the relative index. We'll come to that later. Now let us do some examples. So I told you the relative index, the sub aspects, particular aspects of the main aspect are listed in the relative index. That's why the relative position is shown in this index. That's why it is called relative index. This volume 4 contains the relative index. So one is, for example, under agriculture, a simple example I have taken. Agriculture is, the number is 630. 600 is technology or applied sciences. There 630 is agriculture. So under the different aspects, different aspects of agriculture, I can't able to understand. So here in this, different aspects of agriculture is given. Can you see this slide? Yeah. So under art representation relating to agriculture is this number 700, the arts. Then economic aspects of agriculture, agricultural economics, 338.1. Then agricultural enterprises, 338.763. Then folklore in agriculture, 398.24. So law relating to agriculture, 344.0957. Then paintings of agriculture, 758.5. So this index, in this index, these aspects are located from different subjects. These aspects are related to agriculture, but they are scattered in different subject areas. So all these are brought here in the relative index under this particular subject term, agriculture. So this relative index shows their relative position in different subject areas. So agriculture, but related to all these aspects related to agriculture, scattered in different subject areas. So that's why generally in the index of any book, you find a particular term and the page number. If you go see any book, at the end of the book, any book, anything in libraries, in any subject area, even library science. So how the index is useful? Index is given at the end of every book at the last pages. In the front, you have the content page. In the beginning pages, so you have the contents about that book and the chapters and contents. By the end, you will find the index in terms. So the terms are listed there in alphabetical order and their page numbers in which page they are given. You can locate that particular aspect relating to that particular term in that particular book. That is, index is given at the end. So here also in the classification, duodecimal classification, so the fourth volume, volume number 4 is the relative index. Here also you find the index is arranged in alphabetical order, A to Z, alphabetical order. And in particular, every particular term, there are related aspects that are given under this sub-aspects, related aspects, and the relative position is given there. So that is about the index. Okay, generally this is a short notes. In the short notes, generally they ask you about the relative index. So then, let us take another example on the relative index, volume 4. So here in libraries, so different aspects of libraries are there. For example, accounting. Hello. So In the volume 4, user relative index, you can see this one, volume 4. So here, for example, we take another example of libraries. So libraries is given 0 to 7 in the index, and different aspects, accounting, armored for accounting in libraries. So 657.823. Then armored forces in libraries of armored forces, 355.346. Then law libraries is given 344.092. Regarding to library laws, not law libraries. So library laws here. Library operations 025. Political aspects of libraries 021.8. For public administration support to libraries is 352.744. So then publications for bibliographies 011.67 relating to libraries. Publishing about libraries is 070.594. So these different aspects related to libraries are given here under libraries. So this is in the volume relative index. You can understand this one. So then let us try some examples. So how to classify, how to assign a class number for simple subjects. I am not going into detailed subject areas in this one. So I generally restrict to main subjects only here. Don't worry about this in-depth classification. In-depth classification, don't expect. I don't expect in the online classes. If you want to really interested, then you go to any library where classification schedules are available and try to study them, try to do some homework there. Or you go to the university. You go to the university. So Dr. Saroja may help, or Mr. Kiran Kumar may help you. They will show you how to classify the books. So how to
Sir, these schedules are also available in the study centers, sir.
Yeah.
Their respective study centers, they can visit and consult the schedules.
Yeah. You can go to the study center. So there are number of sets are available there. Yeah. Because practically it is not possible to show how to assign do in-depth classification in the online classes. So I restrict to the main classes, main subjects, but I try to cover different aspects of this one. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, different aspects. But try to understand. If you are still doubts are there, you go to the study center, schedules are available. You can check there how to do this classification there, how to practice this, assigning the numbers for different subjects. So for the examination, you need not worry. There is a mixture of different aspects. Direct numbers will be there. Some synthesis will be there. Like that, we will try to give you as simple as possible. So let us see some practical example here. An introduction to philosophy. I told you in the main classes, you have seen the main first summary, you have seen that one. 000 computer science information general works. Then 100 philosophy and psychology. So directly you can give the number 100 for philosophy. So here the title is Introduction to Philosophy. So you see what is the potent term? Actually, the term which indicates the subject area. That is here philosophy. Introduction, the word introduction is not important, unimportant. It's not significant word. Only significant word is philosophy. So don't take introduction, basics of philosophy, introduction to philosophy here. Maybe it may be basics of philosophy, or a premier to philosophy, or fundamentals of philosophy. So such terms, fundamentals or basics or introduction, they are not significant words. Though they are in the title, don't worry about them. Or even the textbook textbook of philosophy. So don't ever. You see what is the potent term, what is the significant term in that particular title. So here the significant term is philosophy. We assign the number for this subject area only. So what is the number now? 100 is philosophy. You see the summaries. First summary you see there. You go to the first summary. There, if you have this schedule PPT summary, 100 is philosophy there. Can I show you? So you see there. Then coming to the second title, World Religions. Religions of the world. So don't worry now about the world, the term world. So all religions. So the book dealing about the all religions. So what is the number in the summary, first summary given for the religions? Religions is the term, significant term here in this title. So 200 is given the number. Okay. Then social sciences, given 300 social sciences. Technology. So 000 the general year class, computer science, information, general works, 100 philosophy, psychology, 200 religions, 300 social sciences. So we assign the number 300 for the social sciences. Then technology, 600. 500 is sciences or pure sciences. So 600 applied sciences or technology, 600 technology. So pure sciences, the book Introduction to Science, Basics of Science. There is a book type called Basics of Sciences. So we have given the number 500. Literature, so 600. Sorry, literature 800. So history 900. History and geography. Geography is 910. Geography. History is 900. So here two aspects I clarify you to one aspect. Languages and literature. Languages are given the number 400. Literature is given 800. Which comes under languages, which comes under literature. You should have in mind, you should be very clear about this. So language aspects like spelling, pronunciation, words, phrases, so figures of speech, dictionaries. So all these aspects are linguistic aspects are covered in languages. Linguistic aspects are covered in the languages. Main subject language 400. You go to 400 when language aspects are there. Okay, what are the aspects? Grammar, the words, spellings, pronunciation, dictionaries. So grammar, all these aspects are covered in language aspects. So good. These aspects, when you are a book dealing with these aspects of a language, go to the main class 400. What is literature? Literature is creative work. Literature is creative work. What is the creative work? Poetry, drama, fiction or novels, short stories. All these aspects are coming under literary aspects. Okay? Is it clear? So, for example, Julius Caesar, I told you, is a drama written by Shakespeare. Where you place it in 400 or 800? You have to place them 800. So you have to literature aspects and language aspects. You should be in duodecimal classification. So this is the one drawback. So languages and literatures are separated. They are at distance 400, 800. So in other classification, they are side by side. In quality classification, if you see O literature, P is linguistics. So they are side by side, nearby, one by one. So, but you should be very distinctively, you should understand what is the literary aspect, what is the language aspects. I am again repeating. So the words, spelling, pronunciation, dictionaries, grammar, all etc. of linguistic aspects should be classified under the languages 400. Then, so the poetry, drama, then novels, fiction, that is called fiction novels, or short stories are to be classified under literary aspects 800. Okay? So if it is clear, you will be at least 2 or 3 titles in this aspect. Language, there will be 1 or 2 titles, and literature 1 or 2 titles. So now let us take some more example, practical example. So I have taken library science because it is easy to understand for you in the beginning. So library science, the title Introduction to Library Science. There's a book, or Basics of Library Science. So which number we give library science is coming under general aspects, 000, main class. Then go to the first summary. Then you will have an first summary, then 0, 10 bibliographies, then 0, 20 is library science. Second summary, you go to the, in first summary, 000, general aspects, that is computer science, information, library science, general works. So it is under general works or information science. So then go to the second summary. If you first identify the main class from 00 to 999 or 900. So in the main classes, which main class? Then go to the second summary. So it is the library science is generally given under general subject areas. So go to the second summary. So if you go to the second summary, then 020. So 020 is library science. So 020 is library science. Now the title is Basics of Library Science, Fundamentals of Library Science, Introduction to Library Science. If any title like that, if it is there, then what number you assign? 020. Okay. So don't worry about the insignificant words like introduction, basics, fundamentals. So don't worry about those words. So you have to ignore those words. So you have to take the actual subject area from that particular title of the book. So here, library science is 020.
Sir, please mute others, sir. Please mute everyone.
There's outside, there is somebody. No, I cannot control them. Who is there? So then go to the library science. Babu, Arodama. Okay. Then second, you take the second title, library administration. So you go to the you have seen this library science in the second summary. 020 is library science. Okay. With third summary, so you go to the third summary. Under library science, you see this one. So the third level digit, you will find the third level digit. 0 to 2, library science, if you see, so if you see 0, third summary, 0 to 2 is library administration. So I will show you in this schedule number 2, volume number 2. Administration of physical plant. So a library. So here, physical plant, buildings, stock, etc. Administration of physical plant libraries. Here again. Then, so you can see in the schedules, if you go to then further divisions will be there. Administration of physical plant, library physical plant. Administration of physical plant of the library is 0 to 2. Then textbook of economics. There is a title, third title, you see the economics, third title, textbook of economics. So I told you, textbook, need not worry about the insignificant words. You have to see economics. Economics, you go to the second summary, then you will find economics 330. First summary, first you should understand what is the main class of this subject. Economics comes under social sciences. Economics comes under social sciences. 300 is the social sciences. Number for social sciences is 300. So under 300, I told you 310 statistics, 320 political science, 3330 economics. You see the second summary. Second summary under social sciences. So 300 social sciences, 310 statistics, 320 political science, 330 economics, 340 law, 350 public administration, 360 social welfare, social services. So 370 education, 380 commerce, transportation, 370 folklore, etiquette, customs, etc. Under that one, if you see the second summary, 330 is economics. So second summary, you can see 330 economics. The textbook of economics is given the number 330. Textbooks of journalism. So textbook of journalism, textbook is insignificant word. Journalism is the subject word. Journalism comes under the subject generalia. 00 generalia. So 00 generalia, 000 for their computer science, information, and general works. So 010 is, you see their second summary. 010 bibliographies, 020 library science and information science, library and information science, 030 dictionaries, encyclopedias, 050 serial publication, 060 associations, 070 journalism, 070 journalism. So you assign the number 070. Okay. Then you have the third title, Introduction to Psychology. I told you. So 100 is, what is that 100? Philosophy and psychology. If you see the second summary there, you see the second summary there. So do you have this list of the PDF of summaries? Second summary you see there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Then you see there 150. What is given there? 150 is
Psychology.
Psychology. So an introduction to psychology. What is the class number we have to assign? 150. So an introduction is a insignificant word. You don't worry about that. Then coming to the title 6, Bible. You see there, second summary, 200 religions, 200 religions, 220 Bible. Okay. So New Bible, New Testament. In Bible, there are two parts are there, Old Testament and New Testament. So you see, if you go to the third summary, now you go to the third summary and third summary. See, third level of division is here. 220 is Bible, then 221, 222, 223, 224, 225. 225 is New Testament. 225 is New Testament. So now you understand if the title is not just New Testament, then you have to understand it's a part of Bible. How you understand? I have not given, suppose I have not given the word Bible. I have given just New Testament. How you understand? How you know? You cannot know what is that one. Then what you have to do? So you have to refer the dictionary. So if you cannot understand the word in the title, so you have to take a dictionary, help of a dictionary, English dictionary, and see that one, the word, what is the meaning of that particular word. So here, New Bible, New Testament, I have given Bible already. That's why it's a part of Bible you can understand. So 225. If the title is only simply the New Testament, then what you have to do in practice or in even examination also, you can ask for the dictionary. If you can't understand that particular word, you can ask for the dictionary also. So maybe if they have in the study center, they will give. So otherwise, they'll tell you the meaning. That's all. So then education. Then go to the second summary. You see the social. So education is a part of social science. The main class 300 social sciences. Under social sciences, I told you 310 statistics, 320 political science, 330 is economics, 340 law, 350 public administration, 360 social problems, social welfare, social services, 370 is education. So education is 370. So the introduction to education, the textbook of education, or basics of education. So what is the number we give? 370. Then title number 9. You see the title number 9, adult education. Adult education, I have given 374. That means third summary. So under education, 370, and the second summary you have seen 370 education. So you understand that adult education is part of education. Adult education is a part of education, an aspect of education. So that means there may be a division in education. So go to the third summary, 370 education. So under 370, there are again 10 sections are there. 371, 372, 373, 374, 371, 372 primary education like that. 374. So 374 is adult education. 375, 376, 377, 378 higher education. 379 other aspects may be there. So here title number 10, 378. 378 is higher education. So under education, there are 10 sections are there. So the section number 374 indicates adult education. So higher education, 378. So then let us come to the next main class, 4400 languages. So English language. So yeah, now go to the second summary, 400 languages. Go to the second summary. Second summary. Second summary. Language.
420 is English, Old English language.
So then under 400 languages, you have again 10 divisions are there. 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490. 410 American English language. American English is different. 420 English, 430 German language, 440 French language. So 450 Italian or something. I don't know. You can see this summary, third summary. So here there is, I gave you the title, Oxford English Dictionary, 12th title. You see this 12th item, 12th title. So here you see under third summary, go to the third summary. So 420 English language. Then you have again 10 sections, 421, 422, 423, 424, like that 429. So 421, 422, 423, 423. Have you seen 423? 423 is?
English dictionaries.
English dictionary. Yeah, the word Oxford Dictionary, English Dictionary. Oxford is the term indicating the publisher who published this dictionary. Don't worry about that one, who published that one. Here, the significant word is English dictionary. So first you come to the language aspect. Which language? That is English language, 420. Then the third, then the division, the section is dictionary, dictionary of the English. So now I give you 2 or 3, orally I give you 2 or 3 titles, okay? So I give you German language. You can see the second summary. What is the number for German language?
430.
430. 43 German language. Dictionary of German language. How you give a number? Division will be? What is the number given?
433.
433. Yes. So like that, French dictionary. French language number is 440.
440.
French dictionary?
443.
443. Division is already.
443.
443 is French dictionary. Like that, you can assign the numbers. So from this, so because 3 is already divided, 3 is already assigned there in the schedules in the third summary. Actually, this 3 comes from the table 4. I will tell you later. 3 indicates the dictionary. 3 is a common dictionary you can find for any subject area, any language or any subject area. Library science dictionary may be there. Political science dictionary may be there. The economics dictionary may be there. Telugu dictionary may be there. English dictionary may be there. A French dictionary may be there. German dictionary there. Here he has already combined the dictionary division from the tables and already assigned there in the third summary. So it's a very simple in the case of here they have given. So if you identify the main subject and divisions, you can come to that particular third level, section level, you can come to that particular point. Okay? Then I will give you some more example from other subject areas. So a textbook of mathematics. So now go to the mathematics is a science. The subject and coming under science. What is the main class? 500, main pure science. 500 is scientists. Okay? So go to the second summary. Second summary, 510 is mathematics, 520 is astronomy, 530 is physics, 540 is chemistry, 550 is Earth Sciences, 560 is Paleontology, 570 is Life Sciences or Biology, 580 is Botany or Plant Sciences, 590 is Zoology. Okay, that is the second summary. So here, mathematics, textbook of mathematics. Don't worry about the textbook. That is not a significant word. The subject word is mathematics. The core subject area is mathematics. So 510 is mathematics. You assign the number for that particular book, 510 for the mathematics. So then second title, see the second title, a textbook on geography. Geometry. Sorry. Geometry. A textbook on geometry. You can understand geometry is a part of mathematics. Mathematics, you study algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, like that different areas you study in mathematics. So here, geometry is an aspect of mathematics. So you go to the third summary. So under mathematics 510, see that 516.
516.
There are again 10 sections are there. 511, 512, 51 algebra or something like that. 512, 513, 514, 515, 516. 516 is geometry. So you can. So now I think you can understand. First, you have to identify the main class, the 10 divisions, 10 main classes. Then come to the second level, that is divisions, the 100 divisions. Then 100 divisions, you come to the 1000 sections. Third level, 1000 sections. So we have a textbook on geometry is 516. Now let us take some more example. Physics, 530. 530 is physics. 530 is physics. Go to the second summary, 530 is physics. Go to the third summary. Again, 530 is divided into 531, 532, 533, 534, 535, 536, 537, 538, 539. Suppose we give a number on sound. Sound is an aspect of physics. So what is the number for sound?
534.
534 is sound. Like magnetism. Magnetism is also an aspect of physics.
538.
538.
So third level summary, you can easily come into that aspect. You identify the main subject area, then see the divisions. So that is very easy. Then basics of chemistry. Basic chemistry, the title is basic chemistry. So go to the second summary. Second summary, 540 is chemistry. Go to the third summary, then 540, third summary, go to the third summary. 541, 542, 543, 544, 545, 546, 547, 547. Like the divisions are there. So in chemistry, we will stand in organic chemistry, we have the physical chemistry, we have the organic chemistry, we have the chemistry of natural products. Like the different subject areas are there in chemistry. Here I have given one example, one title, a textbook of organic chemistry.
547.
So organic chemistry is coming under 547. So very clear. Then coming to the next, medicine. In technology or pure applied sciences are given under 600 applied sciences. So applied sciences, engineering, medicine. So in the applied science technology, 600, 610 is medicine, 620 is engineering, 630 is agriculture. 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690. The third level summary, you can see that. I have given one example that medicine. Medicine is given, I have given the title, the fundamentals of medicine, or introduction to medicine, or textbook on medicine, like linear on medicine. So So you assign the number 610 is medicine. Okay. So diseases and their treatment. This is the title, seventh title. You see the seventh title? So when you this is a title.
Busy
Please mute yourself.
So title 7. Hello, title 7. You see the title 7? Diseases and their treatment title. So 610 medicine, you can understand from the title, it belongs to medicine. So where you study the disease and their treatment? In medicine only, you study in this one. So 610 is further divided into 611, 612, 613, 614, 615, 616, 617, 618, 619. Like that, divisions are there. So if you see 616 is diseases and their treatment. So the number for the disease and their treatment is 616. Okay. So I give you one more example. So the surgery, the title is surgery. Basic
617.
So 617 is the
Surgery.
The third summary, you can understand the third summary, 617 is surgery. Okay, so very right. Then coming to the title 8, chemical engineering. So here you see this engineering, chemical engineering. Chemistry is different from chemical engineering. So you have, in title number 4, you have studied basics of basic chemistry is 540. Chemistry you have studied there, pure chemistry is studied there, 540. Here, chemical engineering. Engineering aspects are coming under
technology.
Engineering aspects are coming under technology. So chemical engineering is coming under 60. So you understood. So 60. Then I will give one more. The basics of agriculture. So what is the number for agriculture?
630.
630. 610 medicine, 620 engineering, 630 agriculture. Okay, right. Then I go to the next title, fundamentals of architecture. Architecture is an aspect of the arts. 700 is arts. You see this 700 arts. What is the second summary? Second summary, 700 the arts, 710 area planning, landscape architecture, 720 architecture, 730 sculpture, 730 ceramic art, 750 painting, 760 printmaking and print, 770 the photography, 780 music, 790 sports. So then in this we have taken the fundamentals of architecture is, what is the number we are given?
380. 780.
720.
780.
720 is architecture. The fundamentals of it. So I tell you one more title I give you orally. The techniques of photography. Photography is also an art. What is the number for photography?
770.
770 is photography. Techniques.
771.
771. Okay, we can do 770 is photography. So if you want to go, you can use 771. So that's okay. So then I have given one more, the fundamentals of music. Music is 780. 780. So So then here there is a mistake there. So music 780, okay. Different aspects of music you can further division subject. If you go to the third summary, 780, you go to this different aspects of music here given there. 780 music, 781 general principles and music forms, 782 vocal music, 780 music for single voices, 784 instrument music, 785 ensembles, instruments per part, 780 keyboard, 787 stringed instruments, 788 or wind instruments, then 789 optional number given. So different aspects of music are assigned 780. Then I'm coming to the 800 literature. So 810. So you see the second summary. You see the second summary there. 800. So 800 is a literature, rhetorical criticism. 810
literature in English.
820 English and Old English literatures. 830 German and related literatures. 840 French and related literature. 850 Italian and Romanian and related literatures. 860 Spanish, Portuguese and Galician literatures. 870 Latin and Italic literatures. 880 classic and modern Greek literature. 890 other literature. That means the Telugu literature or Dravidian literatures are not given. So in the main second summary. So we'll see that in the second summary they are not given. So you can see the third summary. So here I have given one title, English literature. So what is the number? 820. 820 given. So you go to third summary. So third summary, you see this one, 820 English, 820 English and Old English literature, 821 English poetry. So the title number 12, you see the title number 12, English poetry, English literature, English law, here literary aspects. What are the literary aspects? So, poetry, drama, fiction or novels or short stories are covered under literature. So poetry is an aspect of literature. So here English literature. So 800 is literature, 820 is English literature, 821 is poetry, English poetry. You can see this there. The third summary you see there, 821 English poetry, 822 English drama, 823 English fiction, 824 English essays, 825 English speeches, 826 English letters, 827 English humor and satire, 828 English miscellaneous writings, 829 Old English Anglo-Saxon. So these divisions you can see. 821, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All divisions are common to any language. For example, so I told you, German literature. What is the number you are given? 823. 830. So English literature is 820. German literature is
830.
830. Suppose if I say German poetry,
831.
831. So German drama,
832.
832. 832.
32.
German fiction novel, German novel.
833.
833. So German, like that you can divisions you can. So for example, English poetry you are given 821. 821. Yeah. What is German? English poetry 821 you are given.
824.
So here I give you one example. So German, English drama. What is the number?
822.
822 is German drama. 822 is German, English drama.
English drama.
English drama.
832.
822. So I tell you specifically dramas of Shakespearean dramas.
820.
20.
Shakespeare dramas means you have to understand
English.
English drama. 822. Specifically, I say Julius Caesar. I give you only the title. Julius Caesar.
Poetry.
Julius Caesar is a poet, not poetry, drama.
822.
Drama.
822 only. Julius Caesar is. So, like that, Shakespeare dramas, there are many dramas. Midsummer's Night Dream, Romeo and Juliet.
822.
822. Any drama in Shakespeare's dramas again, 822. So, suppose if I say Three Musketeers, there is a English, what is that? English fiction, English novels are there. So,
833.
823.
823.
Drama is
833.
823. 823 is English fiction, English drama. So there are many English fiction, English novels. English novels are 823. You have to get the number 823. So I give you a title, War and Peace. War and Peace is a novel, English novel.
Okay.
So
823.
823 only. So I give you one more example. I told you Three Musketeers. It's an English film. English film came under English. But in general,
822.
8. No, just wait. I tell you. This 823 is English novel, but it is not English novel. Actually, originally it was a French novel. Novel that is translated into English. So you have to take base only. You have to take base.
843.
So 843 you have to take.
843.
French novel you have to take. So like that, the literary aspects, when the poetry or drama or novel or short stories, if there are short stories are there, then you have to assign the number from the literature. 800 literature. You classify them under literature. Language aspects, dictionary of English, grammar of English. So then you can see there under 400. Let us see now. Let us have clarification about them. So 400. So 400 languages. Now go to this 420. 420.
English and Old English language.
English and Old English languages. 421. English writing system and phonology. Phonology means phonetics.
Writing system.
Sounds, how you pronounce. So the pronunciation, English pronunciation.
Phonics.
So that is phonetics, English pronunciation. Phonetics. What is the number you give? 421. So 422, English etymology. Etymology means origin of the word. Etymology means origin of the word. English etymology, 422. So English dictionaries, 423. We have already done Oxford English dictionary, given that one. 423. 424, unassigned. 425, grammar, English grammar. English grammar, 45. So commonly occurring question is this one. Commonly this title always generally comes English grammar, English etymology, like that. 4 to 6 is unassigned. 4 to 7 English language variations. 4 to 8 standard English language uses. 4 to 8 English section. So now you are very clear about the what is language aspect, what is literary aspect. Yes. So language aspect, pronunciation, spellings, dictionaries, grammar, etc. are coming under language aspects. So poetry, drama, fiction are coming under literary aspects. Okay. So some more example I have given here. So world history. History is 900. History and geography 900. History and geography. So world history is, you go to the third level, the second level. So third level 909. Third summary, you see the third summary. World history. World history 909. Ancient history. So if you see under 900, 900, second summary, you go to the second summary. Second summary 900. History. 900 history. 910 geography and travel. 920 biography and genealogy. 930 history of the ancient world. So up to 499. Then 940 history of Europe, 950 history of Asia, 960 history of Africa, 970 history of North America, 980 history of South America, 990 history of other areas of the world. So here, if you go to the third summary under 900, then you see 909 is world history. Okay. So here 930 is in ancient history. You see this? Under third summary, 930 history of the ancient world. Okay. So ancient history is given 930. Okay. Ancient history, Indian history, ancient Hindu history. So you can say 930, 931 China. 932 is Egypt, ancient history of Egypt. 933 ancient Egypt of Palestine. Then 934 South Asia. So India comes under South Asia. So that's why 934 we are given 934. 933 Mesopotamia, 936 Europe and West, 932 Italy, 938 Greece, 939 other parts of the ancient world. Now coming to the geography, 910 is geography. 910 is geography and travel. Okay? Travel in Europe. Travel, geography and travel in Europe is
914.
914. So now you try travel in Asia.
915.
915.
915. 5 is taken from the Asia. 9 they are taken from Asia. 915 Asia. So now I give you one more number. Travel in USA. USA comes under North America.
917.
917. So travel USA comes under North America. Don't go to exactly now USA, North America. Up to here you can assign that one. Then history of Asia. History of Asia is 915. So modern history is different and ancient history is different. Ancient history is given 930 under 930. Modern history is given 940 to 999. Now here should be very clear about this. While practicing, if the title indicates ancient, the word is there, ancient history. So go to 930. If it is not indicating any word, the word ancient or modern, if the title indicates modern, then you go to the modern history, that is from 940 to 999. Okay? If it is not indicating modern, then you have to take modern history only. If it is indicating ancient, then you have to take the ancient history, 930. You have to classify under 930. Okay? So 930, I have given the year ancient Indian history. So 934. So ancient history of Asia, South Asia, 934. So ancient history of Europe, how you classify? Ancient history of Europe. Hello?
936.
So under 930, you have to classify the ancient histories under 930 only. So if it is indicating modern history, then 940. Modern European history, 940. Okay. So 940, you have to 9. So modern history of Asia, 950. So modern history of South Asia or India, 954. You have to go to the 950 is Asia, history of Asia. So 954 is Asia of South Asia. So here should be very clear about what is ancient, what is modern. If it is a modern word is not there, so you have to take that one into modern only. Okay? Don't classify that one. If there is no word there is no word in the title as a modern, then it is to be taken as a modern only. If it is ancient is there, you have to go to, compulsorily you have to go to the ancient history only. Okay? Then go to the next title, 6 History of Asia, 950, and 70 Modern Indian History, 954. I give you without modern Indian history or Indian history, history of India. History of India, 954 only. So then history of USA. The third summary. You have to go to the third summary. So here there is no word like modern, but you have to take modern only. So modern, don't go to the ancient. Okay? So you go to the third summary. So 970, history of North America. 971, Canada, history of Canada. 972, Mexico, Central America, West Indies, and Bermuda. 973, United States.
USA.
History of United States. So here, history of United States. You can take that one. So even the title is History of America, you have to take. What is that? You have to take United States.
973.
So then, history of Venezuela. History of Venezuela. See the under title on the third.
987.
987.
987 Venezuela. Okay, very good. So history of the extraterrestrial worlds, the world other than the Earth, beyond the Earth, extraterrestrial life on the other planets. So if such titles are given, you have to extraterrestrial worlds. So other than the Earth, beyond the Earth, if there is an extraterrestrial life, other planets, so life on the other planets like that. So then you have to take Triple nine. So these are some of the practical example I have given. So let us. Do you want any break or can I proceed?
Your wishes.
If you want to take a break, sir, 5 minutes.
5 minutes I will take. I have some. Be ready with all summaries with you. Third summary. So,
Please display first slide, sir.
John. First slides.
అంటే బ్రేక్ టైం లో ఫస్ట్ స్లైడ్ పెట్టమని అడిగాను సార్.
ఇది
Sri Rekha, mute yourself. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Actually, 5 minutes, I will review again what I have already taught you. Okay. 5 minutes, then again, then we will proceed further. Continue. Maybe somebody joined lately. I don't know how many of you joined there. Okay. So, Dewey-Decimal classification was first published in 1876 by Melville Dewey. So, the title Dewey-Decimal. Dewey means the author's name, Melville Dewey, because the spelling is wrong here. Melville Dewey, Dewey-Decimal classification. Some people pronounce that as a Dewey-Decimal classification. Some people, okay, either way, what is convenient, you can pronounce that. So it was first published 1876 in 42 pages. Now it came to 4 volumes. The latest edition is 23rd edition, which was published in 2011. So basically, DDC is an enumerative classification. Enumerative classification means the classification which lists the subjects of the past, present, and anticipated future. So the Dewey-Decimal class, this is a enumerative classification. I told you basically there are 2 types of classification. One is enumerative, second is the faceted classification. Enumerative classification, you find all the ready-made class number for every subject, almost. Some sort of synthesis may be there, okay? But basically, ready-made class numbers are available in the schedules. That's why the classification scheme is very bulky. The present 23rd edition of Dewey-Decimal classification is comes in 4 volumes. Volume 1, introduction, and table is manual is there. Then volume 2 is, it covers the classes 0002 to 599. So volume 3 is classes 6002 to 999. And volume 4 is relative index. GUI divided the entire universe of knowledge, entire knowledge, the subjects into 10 classes. 10 classes. 0 generally, 1 philosophy and psychology, 2 religion, 3 social sciences, 4 language, 5 pure sciences, 6 applied sciences or technology. Again, spelling mistake is there. Technology. The 7 the arts, 8 literature, 9 history and geography. So in decimal classification, each number should be at least with minimum 3 digits. There should be 3 digits for any class number. That's why, so he has given the 3 summaries, all the subject numbers in 3 summaries first, so that you basically can understand the main divisions and sections of this classification. In the first summary, you find the 10 main classes. So 0002 to 900. 000 is computer science, information science, general works. 100 philosophy and psychology. 200 religion. 300 social sciences. 400 languages. 500 sciences. 700 technology. 800 arts and recreation. 700 arts and recreation. 800 literature. 900 history and geography. So while pronouncing the numbers, I told you 100, 200, like that, ordinal numbers. That means you have to assume there is a decimal point before every number. So that's why you pronounce them in the ordinal numbers, 100 only. So in mathematics, generally 6.54, we call. After point, generally the numbers are spelled as ordinal numbers, single numbers. So here also, we assume a point before, but we don't keep any point here in the main class for the main class numbers. First 3 digits. So before the first 3 digits, we assume a decimal point is there. So that's why we pronounce them as 100 or 200, 300. After 3 digits, generally there is a point is there. This point is not, it's not a mathematical point. So this point is a visual aid. As every digit, there is some visual. After first 3 digits, so we put a point because of this is a visual aid. So after that one, there is a gap is given in the schedules. Okay. So after the first summary, you find the second summary. Second summary consists of 100 divisions. So each main class is divided. For example, 000 is divided into 10 divisions. So here, actually the total 10 main classes are divided into 100 divisions. Then in the third summary, 1,000 sections. But here, for example, I show you 000 computer science knowledge and systems are divided here. 010 bibliographies, 020 library and information science, 030 encyclopedias and book of facts, dictionary is also here, 030, general dictionaries, not language dictionaries. Language dictionary will go there in 400. Here, this point you should understand. Here, encyclopedia, general encyclopedias are classified here, general. They cover all the subjects. So, like the general dictionary is also covered here. If it is a language dictionary, it will go to languages. If it is subject dictionary, it will go to particular subject. So here, general encyclopedias, which cover all the subjects. General encyclopedia cover all the subjects. If it is subject encyclopedia, like library and information science encyclopedia, it should go to the library science module, not here. So encyclopedia of science, it will go to the science subject, okay? So 040 is unassigned, 050 is magazines, journals, serials. This also general magazines, Times of India, this like that. So any general magazines are here, general journals, Time magazine here. India magazines are here. So here is the general serials here. So if the journal of library science, it has to go to the library science. Journal of political science, it has to go to the political science, not here. Okay, you keep it in your mind. So also 060 journal associations, organizations and museums, 070 news media, journalism and publishing, 080 quotations, 090 manuscripts and rare books. This is the second summary. So if you take the third summary, you can see the summaries are there with you in as a PDF format. So here we have given one example. What are the third summary in social sciences? 300 social sciences, sociology, anthropology. Here 310 is statistics, 320 is, this is also second summary. 320 is political science, 330 is economics, 340 is law, 350 public administration, military science, 360 social problems, serial public social services, 370 education, 380 commerce, communication and transportation, 390 customs, etiquette and folklore. Like the sciences, you have 500 science, 510 mathematics, 520 astronomy, 530 physics, 540 chemistry, 550 earth sciences, geology, 560 fossils, prehistoric life, paleontology, that is. The 570 biology, 580 botany or plant sciences, 590 animal sciences or zoology. So the third summary, you go to the division sections in the third level. Third level numbers you will find. So library science is known to you. So in the third summary, there are 1,000 sections are there. So for example, if you take library science 020, so there are different 10 sections are there. So here 010 library relationships, 022 administration of physical plant, then 023 personal management, 024 unassigned, 025 library operations, 026 library specific subjects, 027 general libraries, 028 reading and use of other information media, 029 unassigned. So how you assign a number for a document? So there are two ways. One is directly from the schedules. So second is by using the relative index. If you are thorough with these numbers, 1,000 divisions, you can simply go to the particular subject area and you can assign the number. Even in-depth classification also, you can do that one. So you will further divisions. After 3 digits, further divisions also you can give the numbers. So if you, that is from the schedules. So schedules are nothing but 000 to 999. These divisions are called schedules. That they cover the volume 2 and 3. So relative index is given in volume number 4. So the relative index shows the different aspects of the particular subject, particular term, different aspects of the particular term. They are shown at one place. So that's why that is called relative index. So relative index is different from a general book index. General book index is given at the end of the book, which shows every term and its place in the text, but in that particular page of the book. The page numbers are given. Here, the page numbers are not given. These subject terms are given, and the different aspects relating to that particular subject are shown with the class numbers. Class numbers are given, not page numbers. So you can take, for example, in the agriculture, you have art representation, agriculture related to economics, economics relating to agriculture, agriculture enterprises, folklore relating to agriculture, laws relating to agriculture, paintings on agriculture, all are given here in the relative index and their specific numbers are given. They are in different subject areas. Agriculture is at one place, but the different aspects relating to agriculture are dispersed in the different subject areas. So they are distributed in the different subject because they are related to different subject areas. So, but here in the index, they are shown at one place. So now if there is a title like laws relating to agriculture. So you can directly take from this relative index. So paintings on agriculture, suppose, you can directly take this number, under agriculture painting is there. This number relating to the paintings on agriculture. Directly this number you can take from the index. But before taking that, so you have to check, go to the schedules and once check again, confirm that one. Directly don't give. Take this number, note down, and go to the schedules and to that particular area and check once again. Sometimes, so you may mislead. Sometimes maybe different aspects may be covered. So that is, there is a caution for you. So like that, for example, library, different aspects of libraries, accounting in libraries. So there is a number. Armed forces in libraries. So armed forces, libraries relating to armed forces. So laws relating to libraries. So it will go to the law. So operations, library operations, directly it will 025. So library operations, if there is a title like library operations, a book with the title library operations, I can take directly this number 025. So political aspects of libraries, public administration support to libraries, publications for bibliographies. So you can take that. Bibliographies, you can take direct number. Publishing about libraries, you can take directly that number, 070.594. So this relative index is very convenient for knowing. But if you directly, if you have the habit of going to the relative index, you don't understand the classification. So if you want to be thorough with the classification, if you have more confidence on the classification, so by heart the 1,000 sections so that you will understand what is Dewey Decimal Classification. Easily you can classify them. So very easily, you don't waste the time. So we use it to, our teacher use it to tell us, do by heart all the 1,000 sections of the Dewey Decimal Classification. So that's why we can tell you a number for any particular subject area, main class or division or sections. So many of the students in regular class, generally the teachers advise the students to by heart those. So because classification practice very scoring. You can get 100 out of it. So 10% marks you can score. So that's why and also it is one very interesting doing classification practice is a very interesting thing. It's not a mechanical process, it is an intellectual process. So when the title is there, then you try to think what is that particular aspect. Even if you do not know the particular term, then you take the help of the dictionary from your own mobile also. So you download some dictionaries, free dictionaries are available in the internet. You download a dictionary. So you will have more vocabulary, you will learn more words. So by seeing the dictionary often, you try to see the dictionary every day. You learn a word, at least one word every day. So you will be very good. You will learn the subject areas, different aspect, general knowledge. You get the general knowledge. You will learn many things from the dictionaries. So my advice, so try to download a free dictionary from internet. So and try to see this whenever you come across a new word, then try to see the particular word, then you will have more knowledge about that. So in classification also, if you come titles, if you could not understand the words in the title, you can see the dictionaries. You can ask for the dictionaries. If the college is having that one, they will provide you. So that's not so it's not a wrong thing, asking for the dictionary. So, but there are some limitations out there at the study centers. So, okay, then coming to the practical examples, we have done some. So we had directly these numbers. So direct numbers were taken from the main classes, like Introduction to Philosophy. You have to see what is the subject term from the title. Ignore the insignificant words, not significant, the words which are not significant. So in this title, Introduction to Philosophy, or Basics of Philosophy, Fundamentals of Philosophy. So the textbook of philosophy, you can you take what is the subject word from that word title. The philosophy is the word, and we classify them. Give the class number 100. World religions, you take the main class 200 religions. So social science 300, technology 600, pure sciences 500, literature 800, history 900. Then library science, you go to the second level we are going, second and third levels. The library science is given the class number 020 and the second summary. So library administration, you have to see further the third summary, 022, library administration. Textbook of economics is under 300 social science, 330 economics. Textbook of journalism, 070. An introduction to psychology, the second summary, 150, psychology. So Bible 220, the second summary Bible is given under religions 200. So Bible, the New Testament, the third summary under Bible, if you see the 2 to 5 is third summary. In the third summary, you find the Bible number 4. Like that, education 370, adult education 374. In the third summary, you have so elementary education, then the adult education, higher education, like the division. So the 378 is the higher education. So languages, in 400 languages, 420 English language. So in the third level, English dictionary, 423. Third level, 423 is English dictionary. So Oxford English Dictionary. Oxford is the publisher's name in the title. So Oxford English Dictionary is a very famous English dictionary. OED, we call them. First OED 1, OED 2. So this OED, so Oxford English Dictionary, you classify them under languages, English language. So Dictionary of English Language, 423. So I told you language and literature aspects, you should be very careful what is literature, what is language. Pronunciation, spelling, dictionaries, grammar, etc. coming under language aspects. So poetry, drama, and fiction, short stories, novels, fiction or novels. So that comes under literature. So some more example were taken from sciences, textbook of mathematics, 510, textbook of geography, 516, third level, you see that one. Physics 530, physics, basic chemistry 540, a textbook of organic chemistry 547. So in chemistry, you find inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, then chemistry of natural products, like that, different divisions are there. Organic chemistry is given 547. Like medicine under 600, technology or applied sciences, you find 610 medicine, 620 is engineering, 630 is agriculture, like the divisions are there. 650 management, like the divisions are there. Here, there is another title, disease and their treatment. Disease, and this is related to medicine. So you look under medicine and you see under the third summary, 616 is diseases and their treatment. Like the 617 is surgery. So then chemical engineering. Chemistry is 540. Chemical engineering comes under engineering aspect. The applied aspect 660, 600, 600. It comes under applied aspect, that is technology 600. So chemical engineering is 660. This number is 660. Like the 700, the arts. So under fundamentals of architecture, 710, 720, 730, like the divisions are there. You find our number for the architecture, 720. Then music, 780. Different aspects of music, 781, 782, 783, like that. Divisions are there, sections are there. Then English literature, so 810, American English, 820, English, then 830, German language, German literature, 840, French literature, 850, like the divisions are there in the literature. 820 is English literature. So 821 is English poetry, 822 is English drama, 823 is English fiction, 824 is English essays, like that we have divisions up there. So then if the title indicates, so for example, the title may not indicate as English literature, English drama, or English poetry, or like that. So if I say Gitanjali, Gitanjali is written by Ravindranath Tagore. So it's a poetry. Gitanjali is a poetry. So written by Ravindranath Tagore. So it is originally written in Bengali language. So you have to classify under Bengali language. So Gitanjali is a poetry, Bengali poetry. You have to classify there. Like that, I told you Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar is a drama written by William Shakespeare. It is a English drama. So 822 with it. So like that, you have different War and Peace. There is a novel, War and Peace. So War and Peace, English fiction, English novel, 823, like that. So then coming to the 900 history and geography, there are some examples given here. World history. World history is history and geography are classified under the main class 900. World history is 900. Third summary, you find this one. Then ancient history is given under 930. If it is indicated that it is ancient, the word ancient is there, you have to classify under 930. So, for example, in Asian Indian history, 934. So, 934 is actually ancient history of South Asia. It is there. So, you have India comes under South Asia, so that we have taken 934 for ancient Indian history. So, if it is history of modern world, so then you have to take the 940 to 999. So it's not ancient is not indicated there. Modern is indicated there. Even the word modern is not there, then you have to take that one as a modern history. So modern history of Europe. So 940. So 940 is modern history of Europe. So 950, modern history of Asia. So 960, modern history of Africa. 970, modern history of North America. 973, here I have given. So history of USA. So modern history of USA, that is. So in modern history of India, 954. So 954, 950 is modern history of Asia. In that one, modern history of South Asia is 954. India comes under South Asia, so 954 we have taken. So history of Venezuela. Venezuela is a country in South America. So 980. So 970 is history of North America. History of South America, 980. 980, Venezuela is a country in South America. So 980 we have taken. So particularly for Venezuela, so modern history of Venezuela is 987. So extraterrestrial world other than Earth. So then you have to classify and life on other planets like that. There may be titles on there. So 999, 999. So like that. So you have to classify. The class number goes beyond 3 digits. The class number goes beyond 3 digits. After 3 digits, you have to put a decimal point. A point you should put there. This point is not mathematical. There is no any significance, any value for that one, except a visual aid. It's a visual aid. It's an aid for visually looking. So now, if I tell you one number, we give numbers for the access number and also class number for the books. So class number is also a number, serial number. So whenever you acquire a book in the library, so after in the access and register, you put that title and the number is given, the serial number is given. That serial number is called, according to date-wise, that is called accession number. So accession number is not having any dot. If a number is having any full stop there after first 3 digits, you should understand that one as a class number. But accession number does not have any full stop. Any full stop. So if I say 1954, 1954 is a 1954 is a serial number, is an accession number. So if the 195.4, 195.4, so when the point is there, it's a class number. It's a class number. So that point, that full stop, a point indicates, so it indicates that is a class number. It aids in the class number. So if a number, continuous number is there, that is a very strain on your eyes. You cannot remember. This point is also first 3 digits. So it aids in memorizing the number. So whenever you go to the library, so you want a book on library science, 020. So go to the library and look under 020. So if the number is lengthy also, then first 3 digits you can easily remember. So then you can understand. If I say 53.54, 530.54. So 530 is a physics. Like that. So 320.7. So 320 is a political science. So this book belongs to political science. You can easily remember the subject of the book. So that aids, the point aids, after the point, after the first 3 years, aids in remembering that particular number is a class number, classification number. Then here we have given some examples beyond 3 digits. After 3 digits, we put school libraries. Now you don't have these schedules, but I have these schedules with me. So 027, what is 027? You see that one? 027. 027 is, and third summary, you can see that. You have the 3 summaries. 027 is general libraries. General libraries, archives, and information centers. So if you go see the further divisions after the point, So here 0.1, 0.00, 0.010, like that divisions are there, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.3. So like the divisions are there. 0.1 is private and family libraries. 0.2 is property libraries. 0.4 is public libraries. So if you want to give the number for public libraries, 0 to 7.4. So 0.5 is general government libraries. 0.6 is library for specific groups and organization. 0.7 is college and university libraries. So 0.8 is school libraries. So here in the schedules, volume number 2, you find these numbers. So what you have to understand, so if you are having the 3 summaries, so PDF form, any form, printed form, take a printout better. So easily you can, if you give the number up to 3 digits, first 3 digits, it's okay. So different kinds of libraries. So you can understand from the title, school libraries, you can understand this is a particular type of, you can give the 0 to 0 library science. Even then you get some marks. Even if you give the library science up to 3 digits, so you get some more marks. So if you give the base number, you call, so up to 3 digits, if you give, you get good number, good marks. So what you do, if you are convenient to go to the study center or any library, any library nearby, big library, if they have the schedules, study centers, we have the schedules, you try some titles. Then you get, if you give the full number, then you get the full marks. So you can easily see that when you check this number. Or in the examination, we provide you this one. So you first up to 3 digits, you understand first now. In the examination, you can see this one. You can see the under general libraries, you find 0.8. 0.8 is school libraries. Like that, I told you 0.4 is public libraries. You can note down. So these, they will come. Next class, I will give you some more. You can save the slides. Okay. I will give you in the next class tomorrow and after tomorrow we have class again. I'll give you some more subdivisions of this one. So you can note down. So you can easily understand. You can use it. So public libraries number points, school 0.4. So university and college libraries 0.7. So after that one, you can note down. So generally, we examinations we will give for generally public libraries or university libraries, college libraries, or school libraries. Mostly any one title will come. So you note down that one. Or 0.1 is private libraries. Okay. Then go to the child. Second title, child psychology. So psychology, you have seen the number, second summary. Second summary, you have seen that one. 150 is psychology. 150 is psychology. So 155, what is 155? You can see in the third summary. Differential and developmental psychology, 155. So if you go to the 155 and further divisions in the schedules, 155. So 0.4 is child psychology. So up to 150, if you give the marks, okay, psychology up to marks, you get some marks. If you go to this, if this title is given, so you give the full number, then you get 10% marks. Then Hinduism. So you find 200 is religions, 290 is other religions. Hinduism is given 294.5. Okay. Then under that one, under Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is 294.5924. So given. So you just understand this one only. So I know the limitation, you don't have the schedules. If you have the schedules, you can understand. So generally how you give the full class number, how you assign the class number. So now you understand this. So there is a book on Bhagavad Gita. So 294.5924. Then there is a title of political parties. 324.2. Sanskrit language. So other 400 languages, 400 languages, 490 other languages, then Sanskrit language is given the number 491.2. So Dravidian language 494. Telugu language, you by heart this one, since you don't have the schedules. So I advise you, because there may be titles like that, Telugu language. Language, you understand this one. 4 language means 400 languages. 494.827 is Telugu language. In the other title, you are seeing 1 is poetry, 2 is drama, 3 is a novel. So if you give 1 year, that will become poetry of Telugu poetry. If you give 2 there, Telugu drama. If you give 3 there, Telugu novel. Okay, that aspect tomorrow I will cover that one, how to give numbers from the tables. So Telugu language, you by heart this one. Telugu literature. Literature means 800. Okay, it should start from 8. So 894.827. The number is similar. Got the point? Number is similar. Telugu, if it is a language, it is starting from 4. Okay? If it is literature, it is starting from 8. Number is similar. You by heart these 2. If you by heart one, and the other you will understand the second one also. 494.827 by heart. Telugu language. Number is 494.827. Telugu literature 894.827. Since you don't have the schedules, I advise you by heart these 2. Like that, if there is a book on insects. So I tell you one word, the entomology, introduction to entomology. What is the meaning of entomology? Entomology is the study of insects. Study of insects is called entomology. So entomology you may find or you may not find in the schedules, but there is a number for insects. So you don't understand what is entomology. So you try to know the meaning. Meaning, take the help of a dictionary and know the meaning. Okay? So insects are given the number under 590. 590 is zoology. 590, the study of animals. So insects have given the specific number 595.7. So ants. So there is another part. So ants is a common term, but in zoology, there is a class. This is a class. There is a class order. Like that, there is a divisions of their family. Like that, they study in the botany and zoology. The class, order, and the family. They are divisions. So this is a family. Ants are coming under the family Formicidae. Formicidae. So you may not find the ants directly what they are. So under Formicidae, in brackets, they are given the ants. So you first understand what is this term. This term comes under zoology. So go to that. Ants are coming, studied under zoology. So go to the zoology and try to see this. What are the divisions there? So different divisions are there, different for different animals. They have given different numbers. So for ants, they are given 595.796. Up to here, you understand. the numbers, unless you have these schedules, you cannot assign the number from the schedules. So it's the set the 4 volume set duodecimal classification. So in the 80s, we purchased that 19th edition. That was $100. At that time, it was about 30 rupees. So about 3,000 rupees we spent. Now, so in I think 2011, we purchased this. So which cost about 28,000. Each set of these 4 volumes, it costs 28,000. So it's very difficult to purchase. So they are not available on the net also. Really, it's not really available. So the duodecimal classification is published by OCLC, Online Computer Library Center Corporation, Ohio, USA. OCLC is published by Ohio. So OCLC from USA. So this is very costly. So small libraries cannot afford. Maybe some college libraries and university libraries they can afford. So we have enough sets at the study centers. Maybe not as many, maybe 100 maybe there. I don't know exact number. But if you go there and you can see this, you can try to practice the numbers beyond the decimal points, the divisions beyond the decimal points, so that you can give the coextensive class number. Coextensive class number is the number appropriate to the subject of the book, subject of the book, of the divisions. Otherwise, you can give the broad number. You can give the broad number. You can get the marks. Don't worry about that one. You can do with your 1,000 sections of PDF, 1,000 divisions given there in your PDF of duodecimal classification. So that you can understand the classification, because we know the limitations, our limitations and your limitations, so due to the corona pandemic. So try to understand. Some more aspects I will tell you. So within the limitations, I will give you some more examples. So if you are giving the number from the schedules, coextensive class number, so up to the divisions of the subject area of the title of the book, then there are 2 ways. One is adding some more divisions. So the classification, even though it is a enumerative classification, fully enumerative classification, that means it lists, enumerates the subjects of the past, present, and anticipated future. Some common aspects, common divisions are, so cannot be given at every place, every subject division. They cannot be given. So what they have done, what they have given, the GUI has done some sort of synthesis. So adding means it's not mathematical addition. Numbers are not mathematically added. So add to means attach to. So for example, the libraries we have seen, what is the school libraries we have seen. So like that, public libraries you have seen. The private libraries, number you have seen. Private library, college libraries, university libraries you have seen. There are libraries in subject areas like agriculture libraries, medical libraries, law libraries, music libraries. So for every library, you cannot give a number. So what they are done, so what Melville Dewey has done, he has given the number for general libraries 026. And he asked us to add number from medicine number, attach that medicine number to this general library, subject libraries, so that you form a number for that particular library. For example, medical library. So general library 026 plus medicine number 610. So 61 we take. So last 0 is no meaning. So 610 we attach to that. Like that, law number we attach to the subject library. Medicine number we attach to the subject library. Agriculture number we attach to the subject library. Like that, addition from within the schedules. So you find the specific libraries number in the library science, medicine number from the same schedules, 610 medicine, 620 engineering, 630 agriculture, like that, numbers from the within the schedules. Number, adding number within the schedules. Schedule once class number from another class number. That is adding the number. Another way is to the subject number, you have to add number from the tables. And there are 6 tables are given in the volume number 1. I will show you tomorrow, some basic divisions. There we try to add those 6. So 2 ways of adding the numbers, synthesizing the number here. So for synthesizing the number, you take the basic number, then another number from the first schedules. So another way is taking the number from the tables. So tables generally, what happens in the tables, commonly occurring numbers are given there in the table. There are 6 tables are there. So tomorrow we'll see. So this is the way how we add numbers from within the schedules. So medical libraries I take. So 026. So if you go to the 026, third summary, libraries, archives, information centers divided to specific subject. In the subject, can you see that one in your PDF? So 026, third summary, 026 is libraries, archives, information centers devoted to specific subject. So whenever I say medical libraries, this is a library for a specific subject. There is an instruction there. What is the instruction? 0.0012 to 0.999 for the specific subjects. You add to base number. Base number is 026. 026 is a base number. To this base number, you add the notation from 001 to 009. 001 means main subject area, 3 summaries. 3 summaries. 001 to 999. 3 summaries are there. So under 3 summaries, you find 610 is medicine. So you are adding 610 to what is the number? 026. 026 is a subject number. 026 is subject number. So 026 is a specific subject library. So this specific, what is specific subject? In the title, medical library. So medicine number is 610. Here what you have to add? You have to add only the base number. Base number means 61 indicates the medicine. Now if you give the 610, what is happening? Last 0, there is no meaning for the last 0. So you can omit the last 0. So 026.61. This is the way how we synthesize the class number. This is the way how we synthesize the class number within the schedules, numbers within the schedules. Both are there, both are in the schedules only. This is the way. So another way, tomorrow we will see how we add the numbers from the tables. So this is, you understand this one. We will give you these simple titles. We will give you, I will tell you. Maybe some, if there are some more complex or complex terms are coming, titles are coming, then you go and omit in charts. So I think in your examination, I think how many titles are given there? So 16 titles are given there. 16 titles, out of 16, you have to answer 8. So 50% choice is there. Out of 16, you 8. 8 into 5, each title contains as 5 marks. 8 into 5, 40 marks. Okay? So don't worry about that one. Maybe they may give you simple titles, so simple to understand. If they are some complex, then so out of I think out of 16, 8 titles are simple titles. So 8 titles are with somewhat complex titles to maybe some synthesis of number building maybe there. So if you can understand, you can also attempt those things. So within the limitations we have covered, basically how you practice the library classification. Tomorrow we will take the titles, synthesis, we again some more simple titles and some titles, some synthesis from the numbers from the tables with the class numbers in the schedules and class number. I will give you the summary of the tables, the numbers from table summary. You can simply some common numbers you can buy out. Commonly occurring numbers from the tables I will give you, so that you can understand how to build how to construct the class numbers, simple numbers from the schedules and with the table numbers. And day after tomorrow, maybe so we'll see some more titles. So I think you have understood basically how to build the numbers from within the limitations of the 3 summaries given to you. So try to by heart, try to understand, try to by heart numbers, so that it is easy for you to build the numbers quickly. So, thank you. Any doubts? Maybe there, we can take another 2, 3. Our next class, tomorrow we can see. So tomorrow I do, so I will type the how to build the numbers, synthesize the numbers on the PPAT on my table on my computer. Try to note down, or if they save this one, okay, they put it on the YouTube. You can review that on the. You can listen to that. You can watch again. Thank you, Saroja. Are you there?
I can.
No?
Excuse me, sir.
What
is the class number of university libraries?
So I told you now.
027 point.
7.7 university and college libraries.
Yes.
0.7.
0.7.
Private libraries?
0.2, I think.
0.1.
Okay, thank you.
Here, private libraries, 0.1. 0.2 proprietary libraries, 0.3 rental libraries, 0.4 public libraries, 0.5 government libraries, 0.6 libraries other organization, 0.7 is college and university libraries, 0.8 school libraries. Okay, students, see you tomorrow morning at 10:30. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the class. Shall we?
Thank you.
Sir, shall I leave, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the class.
Excuse me, sir. ఈ 1000 నెంబర్స్ బై హార్ట్ చేయాలా సార్?
చేసుకుంటే మంచిదమ్మా, సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మా టీచర్స్ మా చేత చేయించారు మాకు, అందు గురించే మేము కాంపిటెంట్ గా చెప్పగలుగుతాం.
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ సార్, మరి అంగుల్ బుక్స్ ఇమ్మని చెప్పండి సార్. బుక్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి, ఇంకా రాలేదు సార్.
అది సరోజ మేడం అడగండి. యూనివర్సిటీకి వెళ్ళడం లేదు నేను ఆల్రెడీ రిటైర్ అయిపోయాను కదా. నాకు
అదే సార్, వాళ్ళకి కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుద్దని చెప్తున్నాను సార్ త్రూ మీ ద్వారా.
సో అదే మేడం నోట్ చేసుకుంటే నేను చెప్తాను మేడం కూడా.
చెప్పండి సార్. హాఫ్ అండ్ మెంబర్స్ కి రాలేదు సార్ బుక్స్, చాలా వరకు రాలేదు సార్. బుక్స్ ఉంటే మేము ప్రిపరేషన్ కి బాగుంటుంది కదా సార్.
అవును, కరెక్టే.
షెడ్యూల్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందో తెలియదు, ఎగ్జామ్ షెడ్యూల్. ఇమీడియట్ అంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేయాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్స్. ఓకే అమ్మా, బాయ్.